Want to know how to buy crypto using OKX Wallet? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to do that. The first thing you want to do is launch open the OKX app. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store, search OKX and then tap on the install option. Once you have logged into your account, this is going to be the home screen. Now you want to tap on the dots icon at the top left corner of your screen. Here you will find the buy and sell option. Go ahead and select buy. Now choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. By default, Bitcoin will be selected, but you can tap it to pick from dozens of supported coins like Ethereum, Solana, or USDT. Next, you want to enter the amount you want to buy. Make sure it's above the platform's minimum, which is usually $2 or €2. Now, choose your payment method. If you've linked a bank card or added funds to your OKX balance, select the one you want. Then tap Preview Order. This screen shows the final amount you'll receive and any fees involved. Often, OKX offers zero fees for certain purchase. If everything looks good, tap Buy to complete the transaction. Once confirmed, you can tap Continue to Trade or head to Portfolio tab at the bottom right to view your newly purchased crypto. That's it, you've bought your first crypto using OKX Wallet. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.